To Stormwatch 12 meteorologist Jeff Donovan. Jeff, on this Monday morning, I know snow is impacting a lot of regions, rain. I'm here for the winter weather, but I know it is treacherous on some of those passes.
It is very treacherous on some of the higher terrain roadways. That's exactly correct. And that's going to be a common theme throughout the day. And it's something to be awfully mindful of, too. The satellite radar picture right now does show this activity across southern Oregon and northern California. We did have a weaker band of precipitation move through earlier that is still giving some snow shower activity to the east side, still giving some snow shower activity to Siskiyou County. And then we did see some heavy snow earlier over Siskiyou Summit. But the main band, the main course is still just offshore and hugging Curry and Josephine counties. This will continue to slide inland throughout the morning and throughout the day, and that's what's going to be providing us with the most widespread travel impacts. I do just want to note that we are getting some thunderstorm activity off the Curry County coastline this morning. So for my friends along the coast, if you are waking up to a few rumbles of thunder, that is the explanation. Now, if we take a look at the current temperatures, we are in the upper 30s through our west side valleys, mid to upper 30s into Siskiyou County and east of the Cascades. That's where we can find temperatures in the 30s, 34 degrees in Klamath Falls and 33 degrees in Lakeview. Let's take a look at some of our traffic cameras around the region. Towards Siskiyou Summit, it was snowing awfully hard earlier, but with this bit of a lull we are seeing right now, it does look like road crews have done a pretty good job getting those roads cleared away. Again, though, as we go later into the morning and this afternoon, we do expect that situation to change some. As we go east of the Cascades towards Chemult, you can see certainly snow-covered roadways. You are going to want to be mindful east of the Cascades that we have been looking at some of that snow accumulating. But then over Hayes Hill, a bit further to the west, Hayes Hill just at 1,500 feet in elevation, we are just seeing wet pavement this morning, not snowy pavement. So that just speaks to the fact that snow levels are right around that 3,500 foot mark this morning, so we're not seeing any of that snow towards those lower terrain areas. Today in southern Oregon and northern California, we'll see daytime high temperatures into the upper 30s through our west side valleys, mid to upper 30s through Siskiyou County and east of the Cascades. Mid to upper 30s for most, maybe low 40s towards Lakeview with the way the storm system is coming in. It could be the far east side towards Lake County that actually sees some of the warmer temperatures today, a bit unusual. Now let's take a look at some of our forecast snow totals for our region. Siskiyou County, Mount Shasta City between 6 and 16 inches throughout today. 6 to 16 inches of snow throughout the day. Also similar accumulations for Mount Hebron. As we go east of the Cascades, we will be looking at even the Klamath Falls area between 4 and 8 inches of snow today, 5 to 7 inches of snow, and then even Bly Mountain, 4 to 6 inches of snow. Expect some snow falling over the east side. Through our Cascades, Lake of the Woods, between 8 and 12 inches of snow falling today. And then as we go to our west side valleys, not looking at any kind of snow for lower elevations, but towards Siskiyou Summit, we could be looking at some of those travel concerns with 5 to 10 inches of snow expected on the docket. I'm going to be stepping off the screen here. Just be aware, higher terrain areas going to be awfully treacherous to go through. Plenty of winter storm warnings in place, and then even for other areas in our region, we have plenty of winter weather advisories in place. Certainly something to take note of. Also something to take note of, these snow levels. I do just want to highlight this because as you go into early tomorrow morning, through your overnight hours, really, snow levels could drop all the way to the valley floor, but by that time we are going to be losing that precipitation, so we're not anticipating any kind of big snow impacts. But if you wake up with a skip of snow tomorrow on your lawns, that's not completely out of the question. The next 7 days will be wet for the Oregon coastline. Really, tomorrow, a little bit of a break, maybe another break towards the end of the week, but until that point, things will stay wet. Siskiyou County, cool and wet throughout the week. We could be looking at some chances for snowfall at times. As we go east of the Cascades, high temperatures tomorrow only in the low 30s. So any snow we pick up today going to be staying on the ground. For our mountains, certainly looking at some adverse travel conditions in the region for today with some of that heavy snow. And our west side valleys, again, looking at some rain today, maybe some rain-snow mix or even some snowfall overnight tonight. Not too much, though. And then tomorrow, a little bit of a break before we get right back into it by Wednesday.
All right, Jeff.